hazardous conditions could impact the Friday evening commute. Please report snow or ice accumulation by calling 412-262.
You cause a snow squall warning.
National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page or using Twitter at 5 degrees Pittsburgh. Winter weather bulletin. Winter storm warning remains in effect until Saturday. Bulletin. Snow squall warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a snow squall warning for northeastern Belmont County and east central Ohio, east central Carroll County and east central Ohio, southeastern Columbiana County and east central Ohio, Jefferson, Ohio County and east central Ohio, Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, central Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, Marshall County in northern West Virginia, Ohio County in northern West Virginia, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., a hazardous snow squall was located along a line from over Shaler Township to 13 miles south of Lisbon, or along a line from near Ross Township to 10 miles west of Wellsville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Kent Hills, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Ross Township, Wheeling, McCandless Township, Monroeville, Moon Township, McMurray, Greensburg, Whitman, McKeesport, Steubenville, Washington, Franklin Park, East Liverpool, Uniontown, Jeanette, and Aliquippa. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in West Virginia near mile marker 2, and near mile marker 3, and near mile marker 5, and near mile marker 6, and near mile marker 7, and near mile marker 8, in between mile markers 9 and 10, and near mile marker 11, and near mile marker 12.